This amazing house from outside is almost impossible to tell is built out of shipping containers. This beautiful edifice is built exclusively from shipping containers to create an amazing modern home with more than 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open plan living, and tons of outdoor living spaces. From outside, you access a well-finished interior space. That's a view of the sitting area showing a well-furnished minimalist interior with white painted walls, exposed corrugated ceilings, and amazing floor finishes to create a warm and welcoming feel. To create an amazing open plan living space, there is a lounge, a kitchen, a dining area, and big glass windows and doors for maximum daylighting. That's a closer view of the lounge area with full height glass doors with unrestricted access to the outdoor deck, exposed corrugated container ceilings to bring out the industrial charm of the house, and warm wooden flooring to create an inviting feel. That's the general view of the living room with a closer attention to the dining area, big enough to sit 6 or more depending on your configuration. There is an office space in the background. This is a closer view of the dining, and next to it is a well-finished modern kitchen with a galley layout arrangement with adequate counter space, maximum daylighting from a full-length slit glass window, and task lighting above the kitchen island to enhance functionality. That is a fantastic view of the ocean right from the kitchen counter. The house has unrestricted access to an outdoor covered deck, ideal for outdoor dining as you feast on unlimited ocean views beyond. This is a view of one of the bedrooms in the house. Is well furnished and well lit with a big glass window showing unrestricted view of the outdoors and allowing for daylighting and cross ventilation. This is a view of the bathroom showing a well-finished bathroom space with all amenities. A view of another bedroom in the house. You'll appreciate the use of good-sized windows for maximum daylighting. You'll also appreciate the use of white painted interiors to create a well-lit modern indoor space. A view of another bedroom showing a similar arrangement with full-height louvered windows, which allows maximum daylighting and cross ventilation, enhancing indoor thermal comfort. The view of another bathroom in the house is modern, well finished with high quality workmanship throughout. You'll also appreciate the views from every corner of the property. This is a view of the ocean from another angle of the house. There's a view of another angle, also giving you unrestricted feast on the ocean views. This amazing property is well situated in a nice neighborhood, as you can see, with an ocean front beyond and allowing for a pristine setting that is befitting a holiday home that is intended for. Those ocean views are amazing and they create a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. If you love shipping container homes and you'd want to learn more, grab your copy of the best shipping container homes building guide on the market using the link in the description below. This amazing guide is comprising of over 300 pages structured into 14 detailed chapters covering everything you need to know and understand about shipping containers, from inspection, purchase, modification, insulation, finishing, and even it goes ahead to give you free case studies of the best shipping container getaway in the Caribbean, plus a free floor plan of one of the most popular container home designs by Shelter Mode. The reception from our followers and our supporters has been amazing. Thank you for purchasing this amazing guide by downloading your e-copy or your audio copy from our website. You can also get yourself a hard copy on Amazon. For those who have gotten a chance to grab and put their hands on this amazing guide, support the reach of this amazing book by giving us a positive review on Amazon using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next